Welcome back, nail friends. Today we'll be creating this beautiful pink mani using rhinestones and glitter. We'll start by using color DP73 by Sparkle & Co. As you know, I do the pour over method, so for these three nails, I'll be doing just that. I'll be doing a third coat of color on my ring finger only because I'm expecting to file this nail a lot more than the rest, just because I smudged it a little bit at the top corner. Now that I'm done dipping into Smitten, I will go ahead and activate and move on to my glitter. The glitter is also from Sparkle & Co. called Rapunzel's Floating Lanterns. You can find this on their secret menu. Because this isn't a fine glitter and it has a bit of flakes in it, I won't be pouring over, but I'll be laying my nail flat on the glitter. I then tap on my nail lightly with my finger, just making sure all the flakes are laid flat on my nail. For my middle finger, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same glitter to create an ombre. I have a video on how I use gel to create my glitter ombre, so if you're interested in learning, you can go ahead and watch that next. Because I am using gel to create this ombre, I will have to cure it for 60 seconds once I'm satisfied with the placement. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clear cap all the nails that have glitter. So that's it for all the dipping. We're gonna go ahead and activate all the nails we just applied clear to, and you can go ahead and activate your other nails again if you want as well. I then go in with my e-file and smooth the nail out as much as I can. Once I'm satisfied with how my nails are looking, I then go ahead with my buffing block and just smooth out some of the harsh lines my e-file does leave behind. Even though I do use a fine drill bit, it still does leave some harsh lines behind. So the buffing block is just something that makes it as smooth as possible and removes any imperfections you're seeing. As I always let you guys know, dipping does alter the shape of your nails, so you're going to want to go ahead with a nail file and just correct your shape once more before you move on to your top coat. Now that I'm satisfied with this mani, I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with alcohol and wipe it clean just to make sure there's no dust on the nail before I move forward. Since I haven't done a video using rhinestones, I'm going to go ahead and slow down the video. I'll be using a wax pencil, which is what I use to pick up the rhinestones, my Mia Secret brush on clear nail gel resin, and my rhinestones, which I got off Amazon. I'll be stabilizing my finger using the Nail Prop Shop finger rest. And when I start, I just apply a little bit of the resin on my nail where I'm going to place the first few stones. You don't need this on the full nail, and you also don't need a UV lamp for this resin. As you can tell by the bottle, I've been using this resin for years. It hasn't failed me yet. My nails stay intact, the rhinestones don't fall off. And you can take your time working because it's not fast drying, and you actually need to spray it with an activator in order to get it to fully harden. Now that I'm satisfied with the placement of the rhinestones, I'll go ahead with the Mia Secret Nail Gel Resin Activator and spray it. You really just need 2 sprays. Sometimes I do 3 just to be extra safe. And that's basically it for this mani. I'm gonna go ahead and I use gel top coat. So I'm gonna apply my top coat. When I apply top coat on the nail with the rhinestones, I just go around the rhinestones. I do not apply gel top coat over them. I cure my gel top coat for 60 seconds, and once that's done, I apply cuticle oil. If you guys follow me on Instagram and watch my stories, you would know I have been obsessed with this mani. It's definitely one of my favorites to date.